Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Check your Android version and model so you download correct fixes. Once done, back up quick settings and any crucial data in case you revert. Enable developer options and USB debugging when the guide requires ADB commands. This gives you access without risky apps. Make sure battery is above 20% and you have a stable Wi-Fi. This avoids interruptions and explains why each preliminary step prevents brick settings or lost preferences. Next, clear system UI cache and data to remove corrupted temporary files. This often restores icons and gestures. Then update or reinstall key system apps like System UI, Google App, and your launcher because mismatched versions cause conflicts. If problems persist, use ADB to reset notification policies or re-enable notification channels. This is precise and why ADB matters. Follow commands carefully and make smaller changes one at a time so you can identify which action fixes the issue without creating new conflicts. To finish, reboot the phone twice and test notifications on multiple apps and the lock screen to confirm full recovery. If subtle issues remain, rebuild the cache partition from recovery. That clear system caches safely. Use a factory reset only as last resort because it removes all user data. If the notification bar still misbehaves, capture logs with Logcat and contact the OEM with model and steps tried. This helps engineers reproduce and fix device-specific bugs faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.